Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by selecting the whole sheet so every row changes uniformly. Press Ctrl+O or click the top left triangle. Once selected, right-click any row header and choose row height. In the dialog, enter the exact number you want, such as 15 or 20, then click OK. This forces Excel to apply that numeric height to every row. Make sure to pick a value that fits your font size and wrap text, otherwise cells may clip or leave too much white space. Next, you can use the Home ribbon for more control. Go to Home, then Cells, then Format and choose Row Height. Once done, type the precise number and press OK. If content varies and you want automatic sizing, use Auto Fit Row Height instead. Select all rows first and then choose Auto Fit. This adjusts rows based on content. Make sure to test on a small range first so you know how Auto Fit interacts with wrapped text and merged cells, which can behave differently. Finally, if you need the same row height across multiple sheets, group them by holding Shift or Control and select the rows, then set row height. Once done, ungroup. If Auto Fit doesn't work, check for merged cells, unmerge, and then Auto Fit again because merged cells block proper sizing. Also, make sure the sheet isn't protected or the workbook shared, since those states can prevent changes. If something still goes wrong, undo and retry on a single sheet to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.